Yeah.
No shot.
It's 3 otters.
You're passing, bro.
I swear to God, I just seen them.
You know those are
I'm hooked up. Oh, it's a snag.
yeah, those are
No, it ain't. I'm hooked up. Nice fish, Sam.
nice fish?
Nice fish.
Got hooked up on a nice one. We don't know what it is yet.
It's a fucking walleye or something.
Oh yeah, big walleye. Bring him in, bring him in, bring him in.
That's a smallie.
Oh, it's a smallie?
Nice
Big smallie.
Fuck.
He decent.
PB.
He decent. That might be the PB.
Jesus Christ, bud.
You said you wanted a big
shit.
bass, boy. Jeez. After we just saw some otters.
Jesus Christ. Hold the rod.
I got you. Oh, circle hook got me. One sec. I'm just gonna have to like. Okay. Nice, nice Scott. First fish of the
Holy
day.
shit.
That's a good small.
Look at that smallie. He's a
good
fucking
small.
donkey.
You want to go measure him? Or do we
I'll
just
measure
wait?
him.
We'll measure him real quick.
GoPro, look at this fucking smallmouth bass.
You have the GoPro on?
Yeah.
Hey.
You can sit that rod down. You want to grab the...
Yeah, I got you. About 14, boy.
It's a nice smallmouth.
It's a
About
good
14.
smallmouth.
I'm going to let him go, guys. Look at
It's shallow out there, so you're gonna have to walk.
Look at that fucking fish, guys. One last look at him.
Right on.
Go on, guys. Sheesh. Missed the bite again, boys. Hooks that hoop. Got him. Got him. He came off. He fucking came off. He came off.
He came off? Or was it a smallie?
Yeah. It's a pike. It's a northern.
Northern?
Fuck.
Stop on northern. Stop on northern. Stop, you have to just go out and grab him. Let's go. Let's go into the fight.
Come here, you little motherfucker. Don't bite me, boy.
Nice.
He
Dude, that's a
swallowed
thick
it.
boy.
We hungry
Nice.
for them guys or what?
We can keep one. Or we can put him back.
Keep this
honestly.
one?
I think I said we just go for walleye.
Yeah, boy, we can let him go, boy.
We'll let him go.
We'll get the nice release on
I'm
him.
gonna reel in real quick, boy.
He swallowed it though, chat. Boy, I gotta get the pliers. On the 10-pound test.
At the shore and hit it in.
Yeah, he was in that real shallow water.
Yeah.
Check that out though, guys. He's a little bit.
He's covered in sand. We'll rinse him off when he's on the stringer. He got some gnarly teeth on him. Need the
You
pliers.
said on the stringer?
You can put him on the stringer.
No,
If you want to keep him, we can keep him.
it's up to you, dog. We could just fish for walleye though, boy. There's another one over there.
I know. If you're jumping. Damn, he did it. If he inhaled that shit and he's bleeding, we'll keep him.
Oh,
If he's gonna die anyway, you know, we'll might as well eat him.
it's like got the roof of his mouth.
You're gonna have to like twist that shit around the. There it goes. Is he bleeding?
No,
You
I'll
release
let
him?
him go, guys.
He seems active.
Hold up, let me. Not walking off. He's got some meat on him though.
A lot of Y bone.
All right, bud. gone. Watch him swim away, guys. You see him? See him swimming? He's just chilling though. You think he's good? Yeah, he's good. My bad, I caught one, boys. A wally. Walleye boy. Stringer time.
That's our record.
This is what I like to do. I like to poke this shit through the bottom lip. What up? Are you mad, dog?
No, I ain't mad. What are you talking about?
I like cut you off, like.
Oh. What was that?
I don't know, that shit cut plunked.
That means they're right here, though.
What is fucking happening here?
That was in the shallow, too. Like, what the fuck? There must be a pocket right in front of those.
Alright.
That's like a beaver dam.
So now I gotta go fiddle with this fucking live well over here. Are you fully submerged in there, bud?
Do we have to build it out farther?
He looks good. There's a little pocket for him. If we get like 3, we'll have to move it though.
Yeah, that's fine. That's a fire walleye. That's a decent walleye. Did he bite on one of these, buddy?
Yeah, it's a little bit different. It's that Japanese one that he bit on. All right, chat. I'll catch you in a few seconds. There we go. There we go. What the fuck are you? Chat. What are you? Is it that northern Sam lost? Oh, another nice wally. Oh.
That's a decent one, boy. Holy shit, boy. Did you get it on the GoPro?
Yeah.
He barely hooked, too.
Ooh, bud.
He almost came off.
Ooh.
Where'd you get him at?
I just cast it right out there by that tree out there. I thought it was that northern Sam lost. Fuck.
You have the GoPro on?
Yeah. Yeah. Sam's on something. Sam's on something nice. It's a walleye. No, it ain't. No, it ain't. It might be a sucker. I don't know what it is. Oh, it's a sucker. It might be a carp. I don't know what the fuck it is.
Carp.
Is it that same thing you caught yesterday, though, dog? Get up here, boy. It's that same shit you caught yesterday.
With the fish whistle in the mouth. That footage is probably common.
See that, chat?
That's a
Hold him
cigarette.
up. Hold him up.
Cool.
No skunk for Sam, boy. Sheesh. Sheesh.
Slapped up. Choked it. Choked the minnow. Choked it.
Sam's PB crappie right there.
I think so. We're going to have to measure him. But he's going on the stringer.
Sheesh.
That's a decent little surprise. There's some crappie back here.